Hey guys, it's Bhav from Bhav Creates Art. I hope you're all okay. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to my channel if you're new to my channel. So in today's video, it could be a very short video. I wanted to show you the purchase I've just made, and I'm super excited to have made this purchase. I was humming and hawing about whether to get this, but I thought it's going to be a great investment. And I'll explain why shortly, but it came yesterday. It's from Amazon, and I thought I'd do a opening video, a product opening video, and share this with you all. So let's do this. Super excited. Okay, so are you ready, folks? Let me just see if I can pull it out a second. Okay, so here we have, and you're saying, what is this? It is a paint by sticker book. Yay! And I actually came across this. It's beautiful. Look at this image. Look at this beautiful image. I came across this book by another YouTuber. And I'm so glad I saw that video because it inspired me to actually go out and purchase this. So yeah, I bought it after a month after I saw it, so I've not done too bad. I didn't buy it straight away. But I do give myself time before I go off and purchase something, because we can have this kind of, you know, habit of buying things as soon as we see something. So I'm trying to avoid doing that. Anyway, let's enjoy this product. So it's paint by stickers. If you're not familiar with it, well, you're going to become familiar with it in this video. So in this book, you can, it says on here, recreate 12 iconic masterpieces, one sticker at a time. And let's open this up so you get to see what this has inside. So all you do, it tells you what you do. It's really simple, and it is simple. You basically, it's a selection of stickers which you then pick out and fill in the image with. I'm not explaining this well at all, so I do apologize. It tells you what to do. Swatch of, it says it's fairly simple actually. You could try it even now in your mind. Imagine a sticker, nothing fancy, just a swatch of colour in a random shape with 3 or 4 sides. You remember the stickers, they're simple and they're delightful. Well, a lot of people had stickers when they were young. I never had stickers. Well, I did. I used to collect football stickers actually. That's because I grew up in a male household. But this has got iconic images in here. And we all know Frida Kahlo, which is the image of the front. So you've got Frida Kahlo, you've got Dancers in Blue by Edgar Degas, The Lute Player by Michelangelo, Woman with a Fan, the Migration, let me get these closer, Migration series, female workers, I'm not sure what that's about. So these are all famous artists or paintings. Still Life with Fruit by Paul Cézanne, and there's more. Starry Night, obviously we know Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh, and then The Kiss by Gustav Klimt. I think is how you pronounce it. Probably butchered that. So yeah, so let me just zoom you out a second. Look at this, folks. So it's all colour and number coordinated, I'd say. So you've got, and it's got perforation in here, so you can pull these out once you've completed the actual image with stickers, and then you can frame them, and that's why I also invested in this. But the main reason I invested in this was because I wanted to do something really relaxing, and you know, it's a bit like glue booking. So you're just picking out your stickers and then you're placing them in the right kind of area of the piece, and then creating a kind of art piece, right? So, you know, it's really low taxing, probably zero taxing on the brain. and really relaxing. So low taxing and really relaxing. Yes, that's what I'm going to call the video. But so you've got all tiny little sections on here. Not sure if you can see that. Zoom you in a bit with all the numbers. So let's just pull you out. So I'll do a flip through of this because that's all I'm going to be doing. So and then I'll probably do a video where I'm actually tackling one of these as well, if that's what you'd like to see. But these are beautiful, and the fact that they have got perforated edges is fantastic because you can pull them out, you can frame them, you can put them on your wall, and just enjoy them, right? So they're art pieces which are created very easily. Oh, that's Van Gogh's piece, Starry Night. And I'm so excited to start on this Paint by Stickers book. Beautiful, beautiful. Good stuff. Clint. Can't wait to do that. And it's a great way of using this as a reference book as well once you've done it, for colour palettes and compositions as well. So, and I'm so glad, honestly, I'm so glad I came across this video because I never knew these things existed. And sometimes you don't know, do you? I know stickers existed, but I didn't know you could. It's like the diamond painting, I guess, or paint by numbers kind of thing. So this is paint by stickers with numbers. And then, so you've got the first section is all the images, and then the back section is all the stickers. So look at these guys. So it's got the image top there, tells you which image it belongs to, and then you just pull out all the numbers, and it's got all the numbers, sticker numbers on here, and it's got all the sections. So let's have a look at the very first one we looked at, which is this one. Okay, yeah, it's got all the numbers in and the letters, reference numbers in as well. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So excited. And you'd use tweezers to pull these stickers out because they're super tiny. Some of them are super tiny. Oh, and then you can use the back pages, can't you, as well? So that'll be good to do. Yeah, so let's have a look. Oh my gosh. So, as I've said, you've got the images. So this is a 2-page spread of one of the images. So you've got 2 pages of stickers on this for this particular image. So, gosh, that's going to take a long time. Here's another one, another 2-page spread. I'm really excited to start this with you guys. I wish I had my tweezers so I could actually start one with you actually on camera now, but shall we do that in another video? I think we will. I just wanted to kind of do a bit of a show and tell and product review on this and get you all inspired, and you might want to buy this yourself. And I'm just trying to think of how much I paid. I think it was, I can't remember, I think it was between 16 to 20 pounds. So it's not, you know, it's not on like budget range, but if it's something that's going to help you in the creative area, then I would potentially recommend this for sure. So yes, I am loving this, absolutely loving it. And I wonder how long it's going to take me. I can't wait to do the Gustav one. That's going to be amazing. So I'm really looking forward to that one. Do apologise for hitting the camera. And then obviously Frida Kahlo's image as well. Oh, she's just got the 1 page, I think. Yeah, so that's pretty straightforward. So I want to start off with her because I think she's right at the front of the book. I think, no, she's right at the back of the book. Oh, is she at the front of the book? No, she is at the back of the book actually. So, or shall I do the ballerina? Huh. I think I'll do Dances in Blue by Edgar Degas. I'm not familiar with this particular piece, but I'm going to thoroughly enjoy putting it together with the stickers for sure. So this is just the 1 page, and it's just got 1 page of stickers, so it's a nice and easy one to start off with potentially. So we could do that in another video. What do you think, guys? So let me know what you thought of this, what you think of this book, Paint by Stickers. 12 iconic masterpieces, one sticker at a time, works of art. And yeah, let me know what you think. If you've got one of these, then let me know. Do let me know in the comments box below. Let me know your thoughts on these, and if you can recommend anything else, I'd really appreciate that as well. So I'm looking for something which is super low taxing, which I can just sit in front of the TV, or when I'm listening to a podcast, and where I can create at the same time. That'd be fantastic. So yeah, I'm really glad I purchased this, actually. Super glad. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe so you can receive future notifications of future videos. Don't forget to like the video, because that will help the channel, and don't forget to comment as well. And as I said, if you've got any suggestions for future videos, do let me know in the comments box below. Let me know where you're from as well, whether you're from the UK or whether you're from America, because a lot of my viewers are, well, I'd say 99.9% of my viewers are from America. And if you're not from America and you're from somewhere else, even from the UK, then do let me know whereabouts you live and what you enjoy doing in your free time. That'd be fantastic, because as I keep saying, I'm building up a community of creators and like-minded people on my channel. So yeah, but so glad I did this video for you folks. Let me know what you think of it, and I will see you all soon. Take care. Happy creating. Bye.